बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। ला इलाहा इल्ला अंता सुब्हानका इन्नी कुन्तु मिनज़ ज़ालिमीन। फिजिक्स चैप्टर नंबर 10 सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन, लेक्चर नंबर 1। Vibratory motion. A body is said to be vibrating if it moves to and fro or back and forth about a point. Restoring force. Restoring force is that force which pushes or pulls the vibrating body towards the mean position. Simple harmonic motion. The motion in which the acceleration of the body is directly proportional to the displacement and is always directed towards the mean position. Examples of simple harmonic motion: a mass attached to a spring, ball-bowl motion, motion of a simple pendulum. Motion of mass attached to a spring. One of the simplest type of oscillatory motion is that of horizontal mass spring system. If the spring is stretched or compressed through a small displacement x from its mean position, it exerts a force F on the mass. According to Hooke's law, this force is directly proportional to the change in length x of the spring. F is directly proportional to x, so F is equal to minus kx, where x is the displacement of the mass from the mean position O and k is a constant called the spring constant. K is equal to minus F over x. The value of K is a measure of the stiffness of the spring. Stiff springs have large value of K and soft springs have small value. As according to second law of motion, F is equal to ma, therefore K is equal to minus ma over x, or A is equal to minus K over mx. As K is constant, m is constant, we remove it, then x is directly proportional to minus x. It means that the acceleration of a mass attached to a spring is directly proportional to its displacement from the mean position. Hence, the horizontal motion of a mass spring system is an example of simple harmonic motion. The mass vibrates between A and B. Therefore, the direction of its acceleration is towards the mean position. So, the motion of mass attached to the spring is simple harmonic motion. अब आगे ये आ जाएगा हैं ball and bowl system. The motion of a ball placed in a bowl is another example of simple harmonic motion. When the ball is at the mean position O, that is at the center of the bowl, net force acting on the ball is zero. In this position, weight of the ball acts downwards and is equal to the upward normal force of the surface of the bowl. Hence, there is no motion. Now, if we bring the ball to position A and then release it, the ball will start moving toward the mean position O due to restoring force caused by its weight. At position O, the ball gets maximum speed and due to inertia, it moves toward the extreme position B. While going toward the position B, the speed of the ball decreases due to the restoring force, which acts towards the mean position. At the position B, the ball stops for a while and then again moves towards the mean position O under the action of the restoring force. This to and fro motion of the ball continues about the mean position O till all its energy is lost due to friction. Thus, the to and fro motion of the ball about a mean position placed in a bowl is an example of simple harmonic motion. Dear students, these lectures will continue and you have to learn them by heart. Thank you.